All right, so the third thing I want to talk about in the introduction here is trademarks. So what I want you to do is go to your browser and go to trademarkia.com. You can see the site right here in front of us, and I just want you to add this to your bookmark bar, or if you have a folder for Merch by Amazon, add it to your bookmark that to your folder. Because we're going to be utilizing this website. It's completely free throughout this learning process, and throughout your business. It's going to be very smart for you to use this because we never want to cross the line on a trademark, and these things change every day, every week. So things can change. Keywords that you use or phrases that you use, people have been every once in a while. I mean, it's not common, but it does happen. They'll trademark a phrase, and maybe you had a shirt and 100 other people did, and they trademarked the phrase, and then Amazon decides if you don't have if you're not the owner of that trademark, it's going to pull you down, and there's nothing you can do about it. But when you're putting your listings up, it's going to be completely beneficial for you to take the second to check this. So just for an example right now, when I'm recording for this course, it's the month of November and the election just happened. And, Donald Trump's shirts are super popular. But if you didn't check this, Make America Great Again, you wouldn't have known this. But it actually has trademarks filed, excuse me, for clothing made of rubber, plastic, vinyl, cloth, clothing. There's over probably 12 trademarks filed for Make America Great Again. So you cannot use that slogan. So, you know, throughout this, when we talk about keywords and we're researching niches, and you go to do this on your own, this is going to be an excellent resource for you going down the road when you're creating these t-shirt designs, because it's going to give you that that reassurance that you're following the FAQ that we just covered. So always keep this in mind, and just play on the safe side. I can't say that enough. Your account is the most important thing here, and we're not gonna I'm not gonna beat the dead horse with this one, but I wanted to show you this. Make sure you bookmark it because it's going to be good to use this when you go through creating your designs.